So, so all this plates and friction plates is gonna what? It's gonna move on the clutch hub. The last piece here, number 13, let's go. This is the plate, pressure plate. And between what you have friction. That's friction, okay, friction, steel, friction, steel, friction, steel, all the way. How many friction we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many plates? How many steel plates?
8.
1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They work like this one. Friction, plates, steel plates, they go like this one. Look at this picture, guys. And can somebody answer me? What's the difference between friction plate and steel plate? What's the difference between these two?
Friction wears.
Yeah. Friction plates. Yes, you're right. Friction plates, guys, are tapped to the clutch basket. How? Can you see this little tab right there? Can you see this little tab? It's out, right? How about the steel plate? It has tabs, but they are in. Why is that? Because the friction plate that has tab outside is already engaging with the basket. How about the one with the tab inside? Is already engaging with the hub.
So number 16 is the hub.
Number 16 is the hub. They call it here clutch drum. So, bottom line, everybody pay attention. Bottom line, clutch assembly is two pieces. One piece is connected to the basket, and one piece is connected to the hub.
So the steel plates connect to the hub.
Steel plates connected to the hub. How do you do that? Because you have
The
these tabs.
teeth.
Can you see?
Yeah.
These tabs will go to spline. This one is called spline. What's called? Spline.
Splines.
Spline. Remember this one? So it looks like this one here. It's down piece like this. And you have that right here. Debbie, can you see it? Debbie. Debbie, can you see it? It's on the spine, right there. This one right here. So all the steel plates with the tabs inside are attached to the hub. All friction plates with the tab outside attached to the basket.
What's the function of either one of them being engaged?
So they work, like I said, they are inside each other, right? Once you guys put the clutch, what's gonna happen? You put the clutch lever, you're gonna have distance between these pieces. That's why they can move away from each other. Once you release the clutch lever, what's gonna happen? The springs is gonna press all of them. Now they're gonna spin one piece.
Friction.
So once you put the clutch, now we have opening. Once you release the clutch, you gotta compress all of them. Who's gonna compress those pieces are the springs.
So the
Steel plates attached to the hub.
and the hub is what moves the.
And the hub is attached to the transmission input shaft.
Yes. Okay. So what do the steel plates do when they're
Steel plates attached to the basket.
which moves when the
And the basket
The
is
hub.
attached to the engine.
yeah.
So when we go to the tables, yeah. Basket clutch, guys, always spinning with the engine. We agree
So
with
the
that?
stainless steel ones keep the friction ones from getting too hot, right?
Friction is just like the middle piece that is gonna help to drag all the pieces together. In this picture, is the basket running when the engine is running?
Yeah.
Let's say the bike is idling
Basket,
idle.
yes.
And the clutch lever is released. Is the basket spinning?
Yes.
Always remember that basket clutch spinning always with the engine, either through the gears, through the belt, or through the chain.
Yep.
How about the hub, which is attached to the
Steel plates.
transmission input shaft? Does all spinning?
No.
No. Only spins when the transmission in gears and the clutch is released. One more time, for those who are confused. One more time. Clutch assembly, two pieces, you agree? One
Yes.
was the engine, and one was the transmission. Once you release the clutch lever, it's gonna
Grab.
grab and be one piece. Now everything gonna spin. Once you put the clutch lever, what's gonna happen? Disengage. Transmission, engine still spinning, but the transmission doesn't spin.
But the hub is the one that causes the power to start engine, right?
The power comes from the basket. And the hub is that, can you see that supply here? It's coming, it's going to the transmission input shaft.
I guess the question for me is, what does the driving plate or driven plate do in terms of transmission?
So, the basket is gonna drive what? The clutches, right?
Right,
And this one is the driven.
right.
That is the drive, that is the driven. This one attached to the basket, this one attached to the hub. And you multiply the same setup all the way. When you release the clutch, the whole piece is gonna be, all the components can do a whole piece, gonna spin together. When we release the clutch. Can I ask you some questions, guys?
So the spaces,
As long as you have space, no engagement. Once you release the lever, no space now. Now you have engagement.
So, in other words, you need you need 7 of these.
Again, this is design.
I know, that's what, I know, but what?
You may find clutches have different friction.
Right, but the whole point is the reason we have so many is to clamp down to move
Yes.
everything together.
Yes.
Okay, so it's not like if you're in first gear, you're only going to be using the first 2 friction plates.
Okay.
You'll always be using all
Guys,
of them.
Sam has a good question. How about if you have only one friction plate and only one steel plate?
Overheat.
It's gonna, what's gonna happen to the clutch? It's gonna slip.
Yeah.
It's gonna slip. Why? Because the drive is more than the driven. Slippage will take place. That's why you have multiple clutch bases.
So the tabs on the friction plate would skip. It would just would go out. or-
Well, actually, the slippage gonna happen between the clutch surface here and between the steel plate and the surface.
That's the same system for the client and the web.
That system here is the same like.
And the same design for the web and dry.
Wet means running in oil, and dry means no oil.
But it's more, it's the same.
Same idea.
So if there's, let's say you have a gear that's slipping, would it have something to do with these plates?
Gear slipping. Okay.
Let's say second gear is slipping or something.
Guys, Mr. Ken ask me a question. When you have gear slipping, there's no term called gear slipping.
I mean,
Gears
like if
are
there's
different.
something with the gear, like second gear, would this be one of the places you troubleshoot?
Like, you mean the RPMs go like
Yeah.
slips like that?
Yes, yes.
That's clutch.
That's the clutch.
Clutch. So when, let's say, okay, get your point. Let's say, guys, your bike, you twist the grip, right? Can hit the RPM engine going high.
Yes.
But the bike is not accelerated that fast. Here you have slippage in the clutch discs.
The clutch plates, the friction plates, they're like what they are. They're brake pads. That's what they are. Each friction plate is a brake pad that catches onto the rotor, which is those little plates. And then once they wear away, you have to replace the clutch because you burned away all the brake pad material.
Thank you.
That's when they say brake. That's when
what I
they
was
say you burned
thinking.
up your clutch. That's what happened.
I was wondering
When you say the
about
word
that.
slippage, means the force between friction plate and seat plate are weak.
Yeah, like
Let's talk about slippage.
they wear away.
Let's talk about slippage. You have a bike, and you notice slippage. How you notice that?
Oh, you can rev it up, like when you're riding,